Autokiniton is the second largest body in white and automotive frame manufacturer in the U.S.
We have a footprint not only here in the U.S., but also in Brazil, Mexico, and India.
Whatever you have in your driveway, we probably have a product on it that protects the occupants of that vehicle.
We are agnostic when it comes to our powertrain.
It doesn't matter whether we're talking about an internal combustion engine or a battery electric vehicle or a hybrid, you still have to protect the occupants of that vehicle when it's traveling down the road at 70 miles an hour, and that's what we do.
Where we're really succeeding is our vertical integration.
I think what makes us unique is our ability to participate in multiple levels of the process of manufacturing.
Not only are we a huge manufacturing company, we also have our own trucking company. We also have our own integration shop. We have our own die shops. We have our own design centers. We can use everything internally and use those basically interchangeably.
So a lot of our facilities may do steel stampings and smaller welded assemblies that then go to other assembly facilities that do larger assemblies that ultimately go to the OEM. It provides us a level of expertise and redundancy to do things in-house that we would otherwise have to go outside for. It's extremely important to work with partners that are rapid, agile, and effective. Being agile, being able to move at the speed of business, that's the effectiveness. We've grown with QAD because of the functionality built into the system. The longevity of our relationship really has to do with the fact that QAD is focused on manufacturers for specific vertical markets. They're developing the functionality that we don't even know we need yet, right? They're looking forward and saying, hey, we see where the automotive industry is going, and we're going to develop that functionality because we know this is what they're going to need.